Today we're going to learn how to create a graphic organized in the Microsoft Word. First, open the Microsoft Word Office. Second, click the blank document. And then go to the Insert and click the Smart Art. Here you will see so many lists or graphic. If you want to list out the thing, choose the list one. Or if you want to like connect it to each other, you just choose the circle one, or process matrix, or pyramid, whatever you want you can choose. And then for this time I will choose hierarchy, and then for example I choose this one, and then just click OK. Then you will see like this, and then you can text, you can text things here, whatever you want. Okay, and then you can change the shape. For example, this bullet you have to, if you want to change to this side, and then press the backspace, and then it will become like this. Or if you want to undo, just press Ctrl Z and it will be undo. And for example, this one also you want to change to here, you want to change this bullet to here, and then press the backspace and it will become like this. Or if you want to change the style, you can change the style like this. You can change the color like this, or so many. You can change the color, so many things. And then you don't like, for example, you don't like this layout, and then you can change. And here the layout, if you don't like, you can go to the more layout and you can choose the thing that you want. For example, I choose this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, and then it will become like this. This is how you create the graphic design.